Hello everyone. Today we are going to see accounting. So what is the meaning of accounting? It's a summary of relevant business transaction at one place relating to a person, asset, expense or revenue named in the heading. An account is a brief history of financial transaction of a particular person or item. So the purpose of these records is to enable anyone to apprise the organization current financial position with reasonable accuracy. Today we are going to see the topics like meaning, definition, bookkeeping, and who are the users of accounting information. So let's see move on to the definition point of view. It is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transaction and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. And we should know what is the meaning of bookkeeping and accounting also we should know. So what is the meaning of bookkeeping? It is an art as well as science of recording all the financial transaction and dealing systematically in a set of books. Bookkeeper is mainly responsible for keeping all the records of the business or only a segment thereof. His work is of clerical in nature, and in modern time it's being increasingly done through the use of electronically, mechanical and computerized devices. Coming to the accounting point of view, it's a higher stage of bookkeeping. It's primarily concerned with designing the scientific system of recording, classifying, and summarizing the recorded data and also interpret them for internal and external use. So the responsibility of the accountant is greater than the bookkeeper. Accountant must have a higher degree of conceptual understanding and analytical skill than that required by the bookkeeper. Bookkeeping is a regular work, and the bookkeeper, if instructed properly, can record the routine transaction efficiently, even though he may not have much knowledge of accounting principle. But the bookkeeper records the transaction while an accountant finds out the results and decides different matters on their basis. In fact, the accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. That is the thing here. And let's move on to users of accounting information. Who are the users of accounting information? It is primarily required for the proprietors and management. So this information of the business is very useful not only to the owners but also to many internal and external users. So internal users of accounting information, the first among them are owners. Owners is nothing but shareholder, partners, proprietors. And they are the backbone of the business because they are providing the necessary fund for the development of the business. So they are very much excited in knowing how much is the profitability and financial position. So these things, they are very much excited in knowing at the end of financial year. So this way, that particular financial information is very useful to the owner's point of view. Coming to the next internal user is management, like board of directors, top level, middle level authorities. So this accounting information provides the base for taking managerial decision. In this way, it supports the management. And coming to the employee's point of view, employee is the employee and employee relationship should be it should be a smooth one in the organization. It is possible only through properly motivated, satisfied, and uh, satiated labor force. So this information helps to settle industrial dispute, strikes, or similar situation arising out of the demand for wage hike, bonus, etc. Coming to the external user's point of view, first one, creditors. Trade creditors are those who supply the goods on credit basis in anticipation that they will get their full payment on or before the due date. So they extend credit for a very short period and hence are keen to know whether or not the enterprise will be able to meet its financial commitment. So for that purpose, they are relying on this accounting information. Coming to the investor's point of view, the investor decision of their investment depends upon the safety of investment, consistency in rate of return, and regularity of the return. So their analysis, for this purpose, they are depending on the accounting statement. So this group consists of banking, finance, mortgage, insurance companies, and individuals. Coming to the next external users are government agencies. It includes taxation authority and regulatory bodies such as Ministry of Trade and Commerce, Company Law Board, Joint Stock Companies Registers, and SEBI. Nothing but Security and Exchange Board of India. So these agencies want to ensure whether all the rules pertaining to the preparation, presentation, disclosures have duly been complied, making the accounting information available to various government agencies for different purposes. For example, income tax department shall be interested in making proper assessment of tax liability. Coming to the next external user are the customer. The public as the customer is interested in accounting statement and report with the object to know whether control is exercised on production, selling and distribution expenses, etc. Coming to the researcher's point of view, researchers, while interpreting the financial statement, may provide some startling facts and findings which may be used by the government to set its economic policy or by regulatory agencies to take regulatory measures and by management to review its own policies. Therefore, these statements are of much importance to scholars undertaking research in accounting theory as well as business affairs and practices. Coming to other people point of view also, this accounting information is very useful for different purposes like trade associations, stock exchanges, media, political parties. So they are generally interested in the well-being and prosperity of the business enterprise and their impact on the social, economic, financial and business environment. So the use of accounting information is so exhaustive that no one can be spared from its uses and benefits. I hope you all understand today's topic. We shall see next topic in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.